We will see how to connect Google Tag Manage, Google GA4 and Google Ads account through Connects. So first of all, visit this Google Analytics website and go to this settings admin icon and click this product link. Find this product links. Where is this product links? And just click this Google Ads link and click this link and shows your Google Ads account. And this is our account. Just confirm and click this next and click this next. If the all things are okay, so now click this submit. If you click this submit, you can see this link I created and you can pause this and refresh. You can see this link are in Apple. So this way we can go as link for all for you can you can link GA4 to wallet's account. Thank you.